Okay, lawn fans, you ready? It is hot as blazes out here. This is August the 30th. We have a heat index of 101 today. It is so humid. And this is what's going on with the lawn. This is rotary cutting, boys and girls. Rotary cutting. Why am I rotary cutting? Well, I'm getting some trash in the lawn coming up like this everywhere. If my camera picks up on that. And it's everywhere, and on my real mower, it's because it needs to have a grind done to it, and I'm just not gonna take it and have it grind this late in the season. So I'm rotary cutting it. I just got in a brand new Gator blade, popped it on there, so it's popping. Good lines. Now, do I like this higher look in my lawn? No, I don't, but it is what it is because I'm at that point in my season where I'm burnt out on lawn care. I've been going at it since, well, pre-emergence, February, but actively cutting and everything since May, and I've got a lot of cuts out on this lawn. So I am going to be rotary cutting this for the rest of the season. Now, one thing I could do is I could put out a PGR out here on this, but listen to this. Heat plus dew in the mornings, humidity is all a great cocktail for fungus to set in on my lawn. I don't want fungus on my lawn. And if it does set in, I got PGR out there, then it's gonna take even longer to recover from that damage. So I'm just gonna rock and roll. Over here, the putting green, I am still real cutting it, real mower, and it is looking good. I still have river sand spots in it, but they're growing in, and I got to thinking, as much as those guys where I bought it from didn't know what they were talking about, they may have actually helped me with some of the dips in this because that river sand had some clay in it, and that clay will compact down, not compact the soil, but it'll compact those little dips in it down, the undulations in it, and smooth it out. And then I will just keep coming and putting sand in my rotary spreader, putting a broadcast spreader and putting it out there. But that's it, man. I'm not doing a whole lot out here at this time of year. Thank God college football starts back for Georgia tomorrow versus Clemson in one of the kickoff classics. But as far as the lawn goes, we'll see you again and be serious about you in the late winter. Over there, you can kind of see this is the middle of the day. And so those places where I put the soapy water out to try to break the ground tension on it and I put water in, those would be completely brown right now if I had not done that. And right now in the heat of the day, of course, it's got a little grayish look to it, but that'll recover this evening. I'm fixing to syringe this whole yard and cool it off with how hot it is. Man, we're in a drought condition right now. Man, it's got to be 3 weeks drought conditions. And then if anything does come, it's a quick, like 1 minute, quick shower, boom. So it's not helping anything. We need one of those all day soakers. Gets down into the roots. I'm really not watering this over here. This is the chipping green that I actually am gonna chip on. I'll just keep moving myself back. But this is the chipping green. It gets no water at all, and you can see that's what it looks like. That's the conditions right now of how hot it's been. It's crispy, and over here especially in the little chipping area. That's all I got for you guys. Just a quick update today. Again, August the 30th, hot as blazes out here. But it's time to go buy some cold beer and get ready for Labor Day weekend. Bermuda Brian, out.